It's Adam with WebStarts.com. Thanks for tuning in. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to create a CSV file using Google Sheets. CSV stands for comma separated value, and it's a format commonly used for uploading data to various websites and services online. Before I get into the video, I'd like to invite you to tap the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way you'll be the first to find out when I release a new video on web design, internet marketing, search engine optimization, and similar topics. For this demonstration, I've pulled up Google Sheets. If you're a Gmail user, you can find Google Sheets by clicking on the app icon in the top right-hand corner of your Gmail account. Google Sheets works similarly to things like Microsoft's Excel and also Apple's Numbers programs. They're all spreadsheet generators or spreadsheet applications. All right, for this demonstration, I've added 2 columns of data. It's very typical to have email be one of those columns of data, and then I've got some first names as well. You can have other columns if you're uploading, for example, products to an online store. You'd probably have a title, description, and price, things of that nature in your CSV file. But for this example, I just have these email addresses along with first names, and I've populated them into the column. So your data might look different than mine, but for the sake of this demonstration, that's what I've done. All right, when you're ready to download or export this as a CSV or comma separated value file, click on File, choose Download, and then go to Comma Separated Values, and then click on that option. That will download the spreadsheet in the CSV file format to your local computer. Now, it's a little bit different if you're using Microsoft Excel or Apple Numbers, but it's relatively similar because you'll click File and either download as comma separated values or export as comma separated values. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to go to WebStarts.com to create your very own free website and see more helpful videos like this.